Welcome to an introduction to TracReturns. TracReturns is an RMA software product designed for manufacturers and distributors to track customer returns, product defects and those products being returned because of product defects, and repairs on those returns. I'll start by logging into the system. The default is admin. Now, after downloading and installing TracReturns, the only thing I did before I'm starting this demonstration is I added a few products to our model list. Otherwise, no other changes were done, and I'll just start by describing how TracReturns is used in a customer service environment. I'll play the role of a customer service rep, receiving a telephone call from a customer wanting to return a product. And I'll receive that telephone call and they'll tell me they want to return something, so I'll go into TracReturns, or I'll have TracReturns up and running at that time, and I'll click Add New Return. On this screen, I'm going to enter an RMA number. Here is a user-defined RMA number, and once I start the format for this RMA number, this format will continue from this point on into future RMAs that I add. The next thing I'll do is ask the customer for their name. I'll call them Gilbert Company, and the person's name I'll say is Bob Smith. His address is 123 Main Street in Appleton, Wisconsin 54915. I can keep track of returns coming in from other countries. I should also collect their telephone number, and I should collect their email address. The reason is TracReturns is capable of sending emails to the customer when certain statuses change. For example, when I save this initial return, I could set TracReturns up to send an email to Bob Smith with all the return information to make it easier for me and for him. That email that I send out to him could include the RMA number, return instructions, and that simplifies the whole process. I could also collect purchase information from the customer, the order number. I could find out what date the item was purchased, and I could also determine if it's still under warranty, the location. I probably want to collect the model number, and if they have a serial number available, I'll take that too. I should also collect the description of the problem. The problem is the screen flickers, and that's all the information I'm going to collect from the customer at this time. And I'm going to click Save. Right now, TracReturns is popping up a unique return number. This number is never reset, and I can give that to the customer. I could also give the customer the RA-1000 number. And as I said, TracReturns can also be set up to automatically send an email to that customer. And I'll click OK. And that's the steps that are required to add a ticket into TracReturns. And as you can see, it's listed here with a status of issued. And I'm going to close off the initial demonstration at this time. Thank you.